Hey there, and welcome back to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Today I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try and make some blueberry jam since we've been able to get a lot of blueberries from my daddy's bushes. So I've got a lot and I'm hoping it's going to turn out good. So come along with me and let's find out. GoPro. I found a recipe on Pinterest that I think sounds nice and easy, which is the way I like my recipes. I don't want anything too involved. So it calls for 4 cups of blueberries, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You mix that all together, cook 20 to 30 minutes till it thickens up, and then put it in your jars. So let's see how this works. These are my ingredients: my fresh blueberries, my sugar, and my lemon juice. These are my jars and lids that I sterilized earlier. It said it would make 3 to 4 half pints. I went ahead and got 5 jars out just in case, since I've never done this before. Go. So like I say, this is the first time I have ever made any jam like this, so I'm excited. It's over there simmering right now, so I've got to let it go about another 15-20 minutes. before I'll know exactly how it's done. But if any of y'all out there, you know, have your own recipes, I would love to hear them. Just drop them in the comments, please. I'd like to hear from you. Well, my blueberry jam has been simmering now for about 20 minutes, so I'm going to try a test. They said to check and see if it's thick enough or if it needs to simmer a little while longer. So they said to take a plate, a saucer, set it in the freezer for a few minutes, and then put a little spoon of the stuff on it, and if it sets up, then it's good. If it's still kind of running all over the plate, then you'll need to simmer it a little while longer. Okay, I'm gonna come back to this in a minute or two and see what happens. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, so let's see how this looks. Ooh, I think it's, look, I've got it turned up sideways and it's not falling off. So I'm gonna say that that is ready. So I'm gonna start jarring this stuff up. I think I may have figured out a more efficient way to do this because I don't really have a big ladle. So I'm going to pour it up in my Pampered Chef measuring cup here, this big one, and then pour it in my jars. See how that works. Just have to be careful that I don't splatter it on me. So it looks like I got about 3 1/3 little jelly jars full. That's how much 4 cups of blueberries made. Well, I'm going to wrap this video up, but I would say I am very pleased. Anybody that knows me knows that I had to do a taste test. Anything I'm going to give to somebody else to eat, I've got to taste it first to make sure it's decent. So I did take a taste of it, and it was delicious. And it only made 3.5 or almost 3.5 jars this time. So I didn't have anything that I needed to can to save for later, because I checked with my kids before I did this to find out if they wanted a jar of it too if I tried it. So they have already, each, the 2 of them, they've spoken for a jar. So that just leaves me with 1 and about 1/3 left over. So I think that's gonna be plenty. Not gonna need to can anything. If I decide I wanna make some more, I may go on that canning journey. I'm not real familiar with that, so I may need some help there. But I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions or tips or anything, just let me know in the comments. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.